Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to continue with the same lesson, lesson number 5, water for every household. Okay, now let's have a quick revision of what we have learned in the last video. We learned about different containers, okay? Some with tap, some without tap, okay? Some which were used in the earlier time, in the olden days, and some which are used nowadays. Okay, now in this video today, we are going to learn how to take care of drinking water. Okay, now why we should take special care of the water we store for drinking and cooking. Okay, we take care, yes or no, the water which we keep for drinking separately and for cooking. Okay, and for other purposes we use different water. Okay, now why we take special care only for the water which we use for drinking and cooking? The reason is to ensure, means to be sure that for good hygiene. Good hygiene means what? Good habits, or you can say cleanliness. Okay, we must have safe drinking water to maintain our body healthy, clean, okay, free from diseases. We take special care of the water which we store for drinking and cooking. Okay, if we use or we consume means if we drink contaminated water, contaminated means impure water, what will happen? We can get different diseases. It can cause diseases. Okay, we will fall ill if we drink impure water. Yes or no? Yes. That is why we take special care of the water we store for drinking and cooking. So these are the two reasons. First one is to maintain good hygiene, cleanliness, to be healthy. Yes, another is to be healthy, to be free from diseases. Okay, and illness. Okay, so these are the reason why we take special care of the water we store for drinking and cooking. Now see here, these are some of the good hygiene habits. These are some of the good hygiene habits. Okay, like brushing the teeth, bathing, combing and keeping hairs clean, washing our feet when we come out from outside. Okay, going to toilet and flushing properly, washing our hand. Okay, while using handkerchief while sneezing and coughing. These are some of the good habits. Okay. Now we will learn here 4 ways to take care of drinking water. Now we are saying that we take care of drinking water and cooking water. How we take care? What are the ways? Okay. In the first pot, can you see that there is a lid or cap? The pot is covered. Okay. So first point is keep the container covered. Okay, always keep the container covered in which you have kept the water which is used for drinking and cooking. We keep the drinking water containers covered. This prevents dust and other rubbish from entering the water. Okay, if you keep a lid or a cap on the container, what will happen? Rubbish and other dust will not go in the pot. Okay, and this way we can take care of the drinking water. What is the second point? Use a dripper. Can you see when this spoon like thing is kept on the pot? That is dipper. Means you put the dipper inside the pot and take the water out. Do not put your hands inside. Okay. If you put your hand inside, what will happen? The dust in your hand will go inside the pot and the water will become dirty. Okay. Now let's read. Use a dipper. If we dip our hands in the water to take it out, the dirt on our hands can enter the water. So we use a dipper to take the water and we replace the lid at once. Okay, we take the water with the help of the dipper and we again keep the lid. Okay. Now another point. Third point. Tap on the container. Now we should have a tap on the container. Okay, this is the best method of keeping the drinking water clean and safe for drinking. Okay, this way we can take care of the drinking water and the cooking water. Okay, this is the best method. The best method of taking water is to have a tap on the container. Okay, this way it becomes easier to take the water and it also prevents contamination. Okay, contamination again means impurity. Okay, water become impure. So if we take water with our hands, so to prevent contamination we can use a pot or container with a tap. Next point, wash the container before refilling. Okay, whenever you are refilling the water, once the water is finished in the pot and you want to refill it, so wash it properly before refilling. Okay, when the water in a container is finished, we wash the container well before refilling it. If we take such care, drinking water remains clean. Okay, these are some of the ways with the help of which we can keep the water clean. Which is the first one? Which is the first point? Keep the container covered. Use a dipper. And third one, tap on the container and wash the container before refilling. Okay, these are the 4 ways. Now this much only for today, students. We will continue with the lesson in the next video. Thank you so much. Do like, comment and share for more videos. And do not forget to subscribe my channel.